Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IndiYogi. 10 ways to do the chair pose or Utkatasana, or most popularly known as squats, jumping straight away into it. So here's first 4 for the beginners. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and arms extended at shoulder level. Pushing your hips behind, sit down as though there's an imaginary box behind you. Your knees should not be crossing your toes while squatting in order to avoid bad posture leading to knee pain. As a beginner to squats, avoid putting body weight on your knees as much as you could. The second variation is just a level up. We extend our arms above our head and control our arms from falling down. Keep your arms in line with the back, engaging the core and the shoulder muscles furthermore. The third variation is beginner friendly as well, but here we keep our feet together and knees closed together. Interlock your fingers behind your body, really stretching the shoulder muscles, keeping the elbows straightened. Now squat down, driving the hips behind and looking up. There's an additional stretch in the lower spinal region in this variation of squat. The next variation is also for beginners. Keeping the feet and knees closed like the previous posture. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra at the heart center. Now first, squat down and then hook the left elbow on the outside of your right thigh, keeping the palms folded. This variation additionally works on the oblique muscles and improves balance. 3 for the intermediates. Fold your left leg on top of your right thigh. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra at the heart center and try to squat down, keeping your balance intact. This variation will slowly develop single leg strength and balance. The awkward pose variation is slightly more challenging than the earlier ones. Here we try staying on our toes and squatting down with a straight spine. This requires having strong knees, not at all recommended for beginners. This variation further improves balance and strengthens calf muscles. If you're looking to challenge yourself slightly more, extend your arms above your head and staying on your toes, try to squat down and up. Excellent asana for total body toning, strength and balance. Last 3 for the advanced. Deepening step number 5, further engaging the hip muscles. Go for a deeper squat, sitting down as low and close to the ground as possible. The challenge is also to further push the ground with the foot and get up into the standing position. This variation of squat requires a combination of core strength and flexibility. Interlock your fingers behind, stretch your shoulders and simultaneously squat down. Try to touch the forehead to your knees, really engaging the stomach muscles tight. The final, most advanced variation of all the poses in the list is the pistol squat. Extend one leg straight and without touching the toes to the ground, squat down as deep as possible. Further pushing the ground with the standing foot, return to the central position and continue. It requires immense practice, flexibility, strength and balance. Hey guys, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, support my channel, like and share my videos with your family, your friends. Don't forget to comment below what would you like to see next on my channel. Right guys, I'll see you next week. Till then, bye-bye.